stick right there. I go like camp. We had a like a little thing you can hang on to and go. Something broke on it. No. Good job.
I mean, I had my baby still.
Are you allowed to jump off the big thing? Steve looks funny. He looks scared.
You really scared?
I think you should do it.
If you jump out.
I kind of want to do the rope again.
That's fun.
You should do the rope. It's not scary at all.
My mom's gonna be like, oh, stay off.
It's not that cool when you get in. Like, I didn't even think I could hold on.
Help me! Help me! That's the tree talking. He and Brandon are both up there. Wow. That tsunami. Alright, Trey, you just done Lover's Leap. How do you feel?
A little sore. Way down kind of roughed me up a little bit, but I'm good. I'm good to go for another round.
Okay.
Hopefully stick with it.
Alright, good.
So it have some neck go around.
Alright, good. Colin, should we show this footage to your parents or just let this kind of be our little secret?
You can show it to my parents.
Okay, do you have a message for them?
It was fun. Straight from the heart.
And Miss Leisha Fuchs, your mother, can we go ahead and get the medication ready?
Don't show her.
Okay.
She's gonna like put me on morphine or something.